Hey everyone. So today we're starting a unit on simplifying radicals. First thing I want you to do is take a look at this rule. It says that if you take the square root of a product, like a times b, you can separate it out as the square root of a times square root of b. And also to remind you, these are some common perfect squares. I thought it would be handy to have them in a certain, in one place so you could refer to them if you need it. So let's get some practice simplifying square roots. So this is not the first time that we are doing this. We have simplified square roots before. So let's look at square root of 28. So the square root of 28, we're looking for a perfect square that goes into 28. So you always want to start with numbers smaller than 28. Now feel free to always use a calculator on these, but 25 does not go into 28. 16 does not go into 28. 9 does not go into 28, but 4 does. So what I'm going to do to simplify this is break this up as the square root of 4 times the square root of 7, because 4 times 7 is 28. Now the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 7 we can't take, so it would stay just like that. And when it says assume all roots are positive values only, technically we should have to put plus or minus to radical 7, but we're just going to assume that they're all positive values. So this is it. That's my answer. All right, let's try this one. Square root of 500. So square root of 500. So 500 is a very big number. All of these numbers are smaller than that. But 400 does not go into 500. 225, no. 169, 144. I think 100. 100 goes into 500, right? So I'm going to break this up as the square root of 100. And 100 times what gives you 500? 5. So now I can take the square root of 100, which is 10. I can't take the square root of 5, so it stays inside the radical sign, just like that. All right, let's try 125. So for 125, let's see, so start here. 121, 100, no. To go into something that ends in a 5, usually you have to have a 5 in it. 25 goes into 125. Ooh, there we go. So 25 goes into 125. So square root of 25. 25 times what? Times 5. So this answer is going to be 5 root 5, because square root of 125 is 5. All right, and here's your try it problem, square root of 98.